Let's write 10 lines on my school. First line: a school is a temple of learning. A should be capital. A school is a temple of learning. At the end, place full stop. A school is a temple of learning. Second line: I study in BVN school. I should be capital. I study in BVN school. You write the name of your school here. Here write BVN, and in school S should be capital letter. Full stop. Third line: it was established. It was established in 2005. Full stop. You write the year when your school was established. Don't forget to place full stop at the end. Next line: my school is my second home. My school is my second home. In my, M should be capital, and at the end, place full stop. Next line: it has a big and beautiful building. It has a big and beautiful building. Full stop. Next, it has two lush green gardens. In it, I should be capital. It has two lush green gardens. Full stop. You write number of gardens according to your school. Next line: it has a big playground. It has a big playground where we play. Full stop. It has a big playground where we play. Don't forget to place full stop at the end. Now, next sentence: there are two libraries in my school. There are two libraries in my school. In your school, if library is only one, then write one. If more than two libraries are there, then you write that number. Next line: my school is the best school in my city. My school is the best school in my city. In my, am should be capital, and at the end of the sentence, don't forget to place full stop. My school is the best school in my city. Now, 10th and last line: I am proud of my school. I should be capital. I am proud of my school. Full stop. Always remember that when we start a sentence, then first letter of first word should be capital in a sentence, and at the end we must place full stop. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and don't forget to give your valuable comments. Thank you.